Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to level up guns fast in Warzone 3. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now, in order to actually level up our guns fast, we're going to first need to open up Call of Duty and we want to head over to Warzone 3. Once we're over there, we will be able to see a few different options. But in order to get the most XP for our guns and level them up fastest, we want to go over and actually play Plunder. Now you want to make sure when you jump into a match, you want to equip the weapon that you want to level up. And once you have done that, you can go ahead and start the game. And when you load in, you just want to search for most wanted contracts. From there, you can open up loot crates, duffel bags, and even medical boxes to reduce the most wanted contract timer by 10 seconds each time you loot a box. And this means that you will complete the contract faster and earn cash and a huge XP rewards towards level up your gun. So in order to play, you just have to click Plunder Quads and you can start the game and do exactly as I just said. And you'll be on your way to leveling up your guns to max in no time, because this is the most efficient way to level up your guns that's currently available in Warzone 3. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.